Identifying tests for 6 gases: GCSE, iGCSE, and general chemistry. The 6 gases are carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, ammonia, sulfur dioxide. Check against this grid whether your specification requires you to have knowledge of the test for that particular gas. So for carbon dioxide gas is bubbled through a particular solution. Pause. Can you say out the name of that solution? What is the result? How would you express that? Pause. Speak it out loud. Come back to check against mine. Okay, so you bubble the gas through lime water, which is calcium hydroxide solution, and you get a milky white suspension as the positive test for carbon dioxide. So I have prepared some carbon dioxide and I have a test tube of lime water. Going to collect some carbon dioxide, add it to the lime water, give it a shake, and we can see that the lime water goes milky to confirm carbon dioxide present. The test for oxygen gas. Take a test tube of oxygen gas. The result is a flaming splint. What needs to be inserted into the test tube of oxygen gas? You're right, I hope. It's a glowing splint. So we describe the positive test as relights a glowing splint. So I have a reaction generating oxygen. I just need to produce a glowing spill. Place the glowing spill into the gas being made. You'll see that the glowing spill relights. The gas being made is oxygen. The test for hydrogen. So take a test tube of hydrogen. Do you recall the test? Okay, well, I'll tell you what it is. You place a flame to the mouth of the tube. And of course, you get the distinctive hydrogen squeaky pop. So I have a flame. If I produce a test tube of hydrogen, a squeaky pop. The test for chlorine gas. Take a test tube of chlorine gas. We're going to end up with a litmus paper which looks like that. Do you know what we insert into the test tube of chlorine gas? Well, I'll show you. It's a damp blue litmus paper. Insert that into the tube of chlorine gas or into a source of chlorine gas. The litmus paper, the blue litmus paper, will initially turn red and then bleaches. You may not catch the red coloration. The definite result is the bleaching of the color from the litmus paper. So for chlorine, I have chlorine water, which is a source of chlorine, and I take some blue litmus. Blue litmus is placed into the source of chlorine, in this case chlorine water, so the change will be relatively slow, but we'll see that there is an immediate bleaching effect. So chlorine bleaches blue litmus paper. Ammonia gas, NH3. Take a test tube of ammonia gas. The positive result is a blue litmus paper. What do you insert? It's damp red litmus. So damp red litmus turns blue. That is the positive test for ammonia gas. For ammonia, I have a source of ammonia gas here, are reacting solutions producing ammonia. We take damp red litmus, hold it in our source of ammonia, and you will see if we compare the two, that damp red litmus has been turned blue. So ammonia turns damp red litmus blue. Our final gas, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, bubble it through acidified potassium manganate 7, which has a distinctive purple colour. The result with sulfur dioxide is the loss of that colour, a colourless solution. So for sulfur dioxide, I have some acidified manganate 7 and a source of sulfur dioxide, a chemical reaction above which there is sulfur dioxide gas. I'm going to take some absorbent paper, soak it in the permanganate and insert the permanganate into the gas above the solution, and you can see that there's an immediate decolorization. There is no alternative to knowing these tests and the positive results for chlorine, hydrogen, ammonia, oxygen, carbon dioxide, as well as sulfur dioxide. I strongly advise you to take this review test. Pause, come back to check the answers when you have completed it. Okay, so I'm about to reveal, so I hope you're ready. Chlorine, damp blue litmus paper is the test. Hydrogen, a flame to the mouth of the test tube of the gas. Ammonia, damp red litmus paper. Oxygen, a glowing splint placed into a tube of gas or source of gas. Carbon dioxide, bubbling the gas through clear, colourless lime water. The positive results, of course, litmus is bleached by chlorine. With hydrogen with a flame, you get a squeaky pop. Ammonia, litmus paper is red litmus is turned blue. Oxygen relights a glowing splint, and lime water with carbon dioxide forms a milky white suspension. I strongly advise you to repeat this test if you have not got complete control of the tests and the results. On this occasion, I think my advice would be to repeat this lesson if you have not got complete and secure knowledge of the tests for the gases that are in your specification. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like.